Good morning everyone. We've now reached Terminal 21 at Rama 3, and like Icon Siam, this is also a riverside mall in Bangkok.
It's our first time here.
First impressions, walang luxury mall vibe gaya ng Icon Siam or One Bangkok. It's nice inside but it feels cramped. Yung size ng corridor sa Power Plant Mall parang ganun din dito. Pero natuwa ako na may CCOO. Thai brand nga pala siya, and may ganito rin kasi sa atin before. Di ko lang alam kung may branch pa silang ganito sa Manila.
Kuya ng mga fruits, magkano kaya ang fruits dito? Ano kaya ito, no? Plants.
Yeah.
Plants. You wanna touch? Touch mo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Terminal 21 in Rama. Merong isang Terminal 21 dun sa Aso. But dun tayo sa Rama 3. I think mas bagong Terminal 21 ito, guys. Let's go. Hanap lang muna tayo ng food court at kakain kami. Dito kami sa isang restaurant called Hoyu. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yun, guys. Basta Houyuu. So, Japanese restaurant dito, guys. Nagpaiba muna kami kasi yung anak ko nagka-crave na ng karaage at saka tonkatsu. So, dito muna kami kumain. Dahil nakakailang araw na rin kami Thai. Although ako gusto ko pa rin ng Thai. So, baka mamaya umakit kami sa Pier 21, yung food court sa 5th floor to find some Thai dishes. Hindi pa kami nagma-mango sticky rice since dumating kami dito. So, baka mag-mango sticky rice din kami. So, for now, ang lunch lang namin ay California Maki. We got an udon, karaage. Gusto anak ko at saka isa rin tonkatsu.
Di ko na pinakita yung lunch, guys, kasi mahirap mag-vlog at wala sa mood yung anak ko. Anyway, nandito ako sa Matsumoto Kiyoshi. It's a Japanese drugstore here in Terminal 21. Nakita ko yung hinahanap ko na Japanese hair mascara brand, yung Cezanne. I know I already got a hair mascara yesterday, guys, pero ito kasing Cezanne, ito yung hindi nagiging oily yung hair mo pag ginamit mo. And then, kumuha din ako nitong touch-up stick for gray hair din, guys. Hair mascara to na in stick form. Guys, ang ganda nito. Pareho silang maganda ni Cezanne. I highly recommend this, lalo na dun sa may mga white hair na ayaw palaging mag-hair color. Guys, temporary fix lang ito maaalis din siya once mag-shampoo na kayo. And then I also got this Brow It 2-in-1 eyeshadow and eyeliner, guys. Ang ganda rin ito. Yung eyeshadow niya is in cream pencil form. So, ang daling i-apply. Tapos ako nga, biniblend ko lang using my fingers Tapos yung eyeliner, ang ganda rin. Kaya pala sikat itong Brow It na brand here in Thailand. Very nice yung products niya.
Ito yun Why siya mo to? So, merong playground. Wadyo, puro playground pala yung babae. Ayan Tsaka dun pa. Paano tayo bababa dyan? Isang floor. Akyat muna tayo.
Guys, umakyat kami sa pinakataas. Meron ding Harborland pala dito sa Terminal 21. Dito rin sakto yung food court nila.
So, meron din dyan, guys, na Harborland.
Eto guys, we decided to buy frozen yogurt kasi mainit. Ang siste, bibigyan ka ng isang malaking bowl. Pero by the gram yung bayad. And walang timbangan, guys. So, tansyahan mode ito. Ang kinalabasan, guys, ang mahal ng binayaran namin sa Froyo. Kung may kumi lang sana rito.
Ito. So, ganyan. 1. And then, number 2. So, yan siya, guys.
Magti-take out naman tayo ngayon ng mango sticky rice. Alam nyo ba, guys, mula nung dumating kami dito ay hindi pa kami nakapag mango sticky rice. Kaya, it's about time. And last stop natin dito sa food court, magti-take out naman tayo ng chicken rice dahil hindi kami gaano nabusog sa Japanese lunch namin kanina. Ang sarap, guys, ng kanilang chicken rice dito sa Thailand. Ibang klase rin siya doon sa chicken rice sa Singapore or sa Malaysia. Yung sausawan doon ay hoisin. Dito iba yung mga chili-chili na maanghang na yan. So, kumuha ako ng isang fried na chicken at saka isa na boiled chicken para matikman namin pareho. And guys, hindi ko alam kung ano pipiliin ko kasi pareho silang masarap.
Wow, bayabas.
It's now 4 p.m. guys, and we're going to Icon Siam via the free boat shuttle from Salil. We are going to have snacks at my son's favorite cafe in Icon Siam. By the way guys, if you are going to Icon Siam via the free shuttle ng Salil, there's a stopover at Saturn Pier to drop off or pick up some Salil guests. Pero pagpabalik naman from Icon Siam to Salil, ayun, walang stopover yon. Alam nyo guys, we love the free shuttle kasi scenic ride siya. Sa totoong buhay, marumi yung tubig dito sa Chao Phraya River eh. Kita nyo naman guys, di ba? Ma-brown, maputi. But the beauty of this river is not the murky water. It's the bustling life outside of the water. You can see picturesque temples, 5-star hotels, and luxury malls along the river. And just like this free shuttle guys, operational mode of transportation ang mga bangka dito sa Bangkok. So I think the charm of Chao Phraya is the atmosphere, and you know, I can only wish for the same sa ating Pasig River. Pansin nyo ba guys, sa ibang mga bansa, may river or body of water in the city that they preserve. Kasi it's a natural landmark talaga na pinapaganda and pinagmamalaki. Sa Seoul, may Han River. Sa Tokyo, may Sumida River. Sa Europe din, di ba? In Rome, Paris, and London. Kaya wish ko yan guys, sana dumating ang panahon na maging malinis at maganda ulit ang Pasig River. Ang haba na nun guys. Anyways, andito na ang Icon Siam. Malapit na tayong bumaba. Kaya let's go!
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me.
Diyos ko, ang mahal na ngayon sa Thailand. Inflation is real.
Stop lying. I know you playing your part, but baby, it's
Isang butter with vanilla ice cream, isang dalawang plain brioche bread, isang strawberry toast stick, dalawang iced americano, isang hot americano and water. Alam nyo ba, ang total ay 1,732 baht. Kulang-kulang na nasa 3,000 to 3,500. Sobrang mahal ano? Tinapay lang 3,500 na lahat-lahat.
Want to try this ice cream?
Ice cream.
Combo. Wow, Wancho. That's your order. Super yummy. Wancho ice cream. That's your ice cream.
who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me.
For our last dinner in Bangkok, nag-dinner date kami ni hubby sa Nawa Restaurant in Salil Hotel. Sa umaga, dito kami nagbe-breakfast buffet, and after breakfast service, it transforms into a Thai restaurant. We only ordered a few dishes guys, and this one is complimentary, para siyang kropek na may bagoong na sausawan. For drinks, I ordered a passion fruit mocktail, and my husband got a watermelon shake. As I said, konti lang in order namin guys, coming from Mill Toast House, and this is one of the 3 dishes that we ordered. This is their crispy fried pork belly. At alam nyo ba guys, na while nandito kami sa Nawa Restaurant, ay nag-notify sa akin sa YouTube that I reached 700 subscribers. Thank you guys. Next one is a seasonal dish. This is their mangosteen salad guys. Ang sarap niyan. And our last dish for the night, classic pad thai. It's our last day in Bangkok guys, at eto na ang airport pickup service that I booked from Klook. It's true na mas malapit ang Don Muang Airport guys sa city than Suvarnabhumi Airport, pero umalis pa rin kami ng maaga sa hotel dahil sa traffic. Maaga kami guys nakarating at hindi pa open ang counters ng AirAsia, pero okay lang guys kasi hindi naman kami matagal naghintay, and besides may priority check-in ang AirAsia for premium flex. I really liked how compact Don Muang Airport is. Ang bilis ng immigration, tapos andito na kami agad sa restaurant for lunch. Sayang guys, walang name itong restaurant na ito, but it's a Hong Kong style restaurant here in Don Muang Airport. Masarap guys. Yung noodles nila panalo, pati itong plate na to with roast pork and roast chicken, masarap. Pati itong krapao dish guys, at kahit yung fried chicken na in-order ng anak ko, naku, ayaw niyang tantanan yan kasi napakasarap. Ako naman itong braised pork with tofu and hard-boiled egg, parang adobo guys na masabaw, masarap din.
That's ice cream. Open mo to. There's ice cream inside. There's also a spoon. This is the coconut ice cream. Yung taas is mango ice cream. Yon, mango yon. Yellow. Yung orange is mango. This one is coconut ice cream. Oh, Wansha, let's try this. Guys, ito yung coconut ice cream. There you go. Ang lasa niya ay lasang buko pandan. Actually yan, mga nata de coco yung parang tipak-tipak dyan na frozen. Yan, buko pandan yung lasa. So, sa loob niya, kasama na yung spoon. Cute! Masarap din, guys. Dito kami sa tapat ng massage. Sensib. Thai massage. And then, nandyan na. Dami. Dami makakain dito. All the way hanggang sa dulo.
Papamassage nga pala yung anak ko at saka yung asawa ko. Ayun, papafoot massage sila. I'll be ending the vlog here guys. We reached 700 subscribers while filming in Bangkok. But by the time I uploaded this, we're 950 subscribers strong. Guys, I can't thank you enough for supporting my small channel. I also want to say thank you to the one and only megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta, who's been very supportive of travel vloggers at nakasama tayo guys sa mga sinusuport at pina-follow niya. Guys, I feel so small compared to the vloggers na sinusuportahan niya, but I also feel honored and very grateful for her support. Walang maliit, walang malaki for Miss Sharon Cuneta as long as she recognizes the hard work that we put into our channels and our vlogs. Sabi nga nila, you'll get more support from strangers and from family and friends, and you guys are exactly showing me that. Thank you, Miss Sharon Cuneta, and again, thank you, my dear subscribers. You spending time to watch my vlogs means a lot to me. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, guys. New neighborhoods in Seoul will be up in my next vlog. Please take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!